bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Happy Friday, guys.
Yeah, very happy. I'm a bit more.
Mr. C here. Happy Friday, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Oh my goodness, it's too hot, guys. Look. Temperature is 33. Blue sky. We're having a barbecue. My God, it's boiling. Mr. C is getting brown now already. My goodness, look, blue sky. The sun, look, is buzzing. Oh my goodness. Ang init. Oh my God. Hey, here's a chicken, guys. Manok, karne ng baboy. Yan. Karne ng manok yan. How's your day, Mr. C? How's your day?
Yeah, good. Been hatched.
Been hatched. Someone hacked the computer, you know?
Okay, it's only the work one.
Yeah. It's too hot, guys. I'm getting black now. Yeah, Mr. C. Goodness, it's too hot. Ooh. Dun, dun. Ay!
Here we are again. For the Filipinas. Yes.
Want to send money to Nigeria?
No,
Use
because
Tap Tap
scammers
Send.
live in
You can
Nigeria.
transfer money to most major banks 24/7
Why would I
anywhere.
want to send money to
From Lagos
Nigeria?
to Kano.
You ever watch
all
fucking
from your
Catfish? What's up
Benefit
here?
from our special offer.
Stop! Stop! Why would I want to send money to Nigeria, guys?
That is catfish.
Social catfish. Check it on YouTube. It's Nigerian scammers. I could be Jennifer Aniston right now. And I'm really interested in a 70-year-old grey-haired fat guy from Minnesota. No. Oh, shit. Hang on. My phone's run out of charge. This is not good. I've got 0%. Okay, that's the music on. Turn that off.
Why?
Drink beer, make food, and chill out.
So again, put the one then I can put my music on.
My phone's run out of charge.
No, I mean my phone.
It's so bad. It's a power bank. I could have just plugged it in and had it like charging. Well, I'm stupid. I didn't. Crazy. Shit. Been busted. We've got the karaoke there, guys. Private moment. Busted.
Kumusta ka aking mahal?
Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Huwag mong intindihin.
Nakakaraos din mga gabing mapangawangin, dinadaan sa awitin. Nalulungkot kong damdamin,
Learn tougher things, babe.
aaliw pa rin. Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, sinta. Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na malayo ka'y para rin napiling ka, mahal.
Oh!
Kumusta ka? Malalim na itong gabi, malamig ang simoy ng
Kain tayo! Hi guys! Kain po tayo! Mr. Sis having a tobacco first before eating. Oh my god! What's the weather, babe? Heat wave.
Bloody freezing. So cold.
It's too hot, guys.
Let's go put a jumper on.
Too hot, guys.
Something much warmer than this time of year.
35, 33, 34, isn't it? My goodness.
Not natural.
It's not natural.
Not for the UK.
Not for the UK. Look, we having karne ng manok, karne ng baboy, sausages, chili sausage.
Chicken, pork and sausage.
Yeah, guys. Ayan, kain po tayo, guys.
What does that mean, babe?
Let's eat.
Okay.
Kain po tayo. Mantayon, Tilocano.
You're now learning Filipino.
And I thank God I breathe.
Oh,
Nice song, guys.
Take this
there's some Filipino reggae going on.
for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds,
Love it.
I know someday it'll all turn.
Here we go now.
Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to see.
Karaoke, guys.
Don't want to
Yeah, that's the point. Said she wants to buy a karaoke machine. Well, I've told her that's not a problem. You spend £200 and you're the one explaining to the neighbours why somebody's strangling a cat at number 7.
It's not 100
You're
pounds.
strangling a bloody cat at number 7. £100, £200, £300, £1,000. If you're singing, there is a cat being strangled at number 7.
Keep practicing, babe, until you get better, you know?
Yeah, another 58 years. If I could sing by now at 58, Robbie Williams would be out of a job.
Yes, true. Kain po tayo, guys. Kain po tayo.
Good morning. Happy Saturday, everybody. Pretty sure it's Saturday today. Don't remember much of yesterday, to be honest, because in true Yorkshire style, I think I had a few too many Stellas, and I don't remember a lot. Mrs. C is not very happy with me this morning, but at least she's talking to me, so that's a bonus. You certainly do not want to piss your Pinay off, because it never feels comfortable when she's upset. So, here I am in the garden this morning, sunning myself, and today I've got the old SP50 lotion, because otherwise I'm going to look like a bloody lobster. It's a really hot day again today. I'm going to try not to drink so much beer, or I'll be suffering the wrath of Mrs. C again, and we don't want that, do we? So this morning already I've marinated some chicken for the barbecue, because yeah, believe it or not, for a change we're having a barbecue again. We always seem to have one, don't we, guys? It's just part of the Cowdell household life. So I'm doing like a fiery coating for the chicken, really. Paprika, and it's like a hot coating. I've just let all that marinate at the minute. While that's marinating, I've just sorted out the jacuzzi. A little bit of anti-foam, a little bit of chlorine, a little bit of water califier, I think it's called, which clears it up. Mrs. C's stoked up the barbecue. She's put the coals on there ready. The beers are cooling in the fridge, and it's a beautiful day. I'm just taking a moment now to look around the garden at all the nice plants that Ascension's planted. Everything's doing well. The beans are well, strawberries. We've even got some tomatoes now, guys. Not many, but we've got some. The bees are busy, buzzing around, especially these lavender plants. They seem to love lavender, and they're collecting pollen and doing the bee things. So it's a day today just to chill out, appreciate how beautiful nature is. Try not to get another bollocking off Mrs. C. Bit of a jacuzzi, plenty of barbecue, smoke some cigarettes, and just chill out. So that's it. So there's the garden, guys. Not like you've not seen it before, because we're in the jacuzzi and having a barbecue every weekend, aren't we, really? Let's face it. Anyway, Mrs. C, she's doing a usual pastime. She's gone shopping. She loves shopping, my missus. But before she went, she did actually chop up some fresh mango. So I'll be having a bit of that, I think. And here's my chicken for later. It's got like a, I don't know what it is, like a fiery hot coating now. A bit like you get at TGI Fridays, scorpion wings. That sort of heat. So we're having a bit of that. Right, I'm going to go out and get a bit more suntanned. Hopefully not look like a bloody lobster. And wait for the missus to get back. So, let the fun and games on a Saturday commence, guys, because tomorrow we're back to Sunderland again. It can piss it down with rain after tomorrow as far as I'm concerned. Well, I'm tatting up. I've started back on the beer, guys. Hopefully it doesn't get as messy as it did yesterday. Barbecue's on the way. Just lit the old barbie. There'll be a bit of time now before the coals are ready to put food on. Jacuzzi is at 31 degrees. And we've got a bit of
Shout going out to Norfolk Oz.
Centre Force 88.3. Playing on the tunes. So many bees in this garden, guys. So many. Oh, it's very sunny. I keep jumping into that jacuzzi and cooling off, and then coming out here and catching some rays. Try and get rid of all these white bits. I need to tone my skin up before we do the Philippines in December. Else I'm going to look like a right flipping idiot. They'll think a ghost has got off the plane. So catch as much sun as this as possible. And then later on in the year, hit the tanning shops. Well, guess where Mrs. C is.
Hi guys.
Hello Mrs. C, what do you got there?
Ice cream in the bun.
Ice cream in the bun. Is it tasty?
Yeah.
What's in the ice cream?
Mochi.
A moochie.
Raspberry.
Raspberry moochie. Oh, look at that, floating in the jacuzzi. There's one good thing about this, guys, when it's cold water jacuzzi. Just throw your beers in there, let them cool down. Also, because I'm lazy, I don't have to go far to pick my beer up. Sorry, the water, guys. What a warm day, again. 32 degrees it is, yeah? 32. Well, the missus is happy enough, look, she's cooling down.
You're getting brown now too much.
So I'm trying to get brown, and she's not trying to get brown.
Look, it's brown already.
Filipino skin goes brown. She gets a suntan, guys, and she don't like it. See how the barbie's coming on. Are we ready for a grub yet? That's the question. Oh, she's getting there. Not far off. God, it's such a hot day. That sun! Oh, it's too much, guys. Feels like you're in the desert. Oh well, Mrs. is happy.
Where's your beer?
It's in the jacuzzi, babe. That's where the beer is. Oh yeah. Okay. Ascension's out there picking spinach in the garden at the minute. We've got neighbours, Indian neighbours next door. Really nice couple. And obviously Indians like to eat a lot of spinach in the dell.
Yeah, they like it there.
And we've got so much spinach. So sharing is caring. We'll give to Maria next door and the neighbours.
At least it's not gonna be waste.
No, it's not going to get wasted, is it, babe?
At least when you pick them, the leaves, it keep coming anyway.
That's it then. I don't know. I don't eat spinach. not really. We've got so much stuff here. Look at all them potatoes in the corner. And then we've got onions, we've got garlics, we've got chives at the back there. Spinach, strawberries, carrots, beans. Oh, yeah. So, that's Ascension picking spinach. She really loves this garden. She's put a lot of time and effort into planting things and watching it grow. It's nice. And she's happy. Okay guys, so what I was talking about earlier was this. This is a Bluetti, the AC3A. We're going to give this to Mum. I'll give her an adapter so she can charge out in Philippine 2-pin, but she's got USB and everything. We've already got an adapter for when she charges it, because it's like this type of thing in the Philippines. And then that's the solar panel, guys. This big one here. That's 120 watts. So they go into the Philippines in the ballot buy-in box. That's the PV 120D solar panel and the EB3A solar charger. This is the one that we're taking back to Sunderland because it's small and it'll fit in a backpack. That's only a 60 watt. That's half the size of that one. But I can use this with a backpack, which I'm going to show you in the next video.
And you have the plug-in.
Oh yeah, that's the car charger. Because the car charger I bought for this one,
Give it to Mum.
I'm going to have to give that to Mum as well, because this is the connection for the backpack one. The one I bought for Mum, this one, is a barrel connector, so they're different. So that can stay with this one for Mum.
Can I get another?
Yeah, an adapter for that output there. Right, so they can go back to Sunderland tomorrow. So that's for Mum, and the solar panels for Mum. So when they have a brownout, she's got some power at least. More things to go in the ballot buy-in box, guys. We got 4 more. Well, that's my missus. She's done me already. You know when I come into the house to do something, she's already thought of it, look. She's done skewers. There should have been 4 of them, not 3, but she's done 3. And then we've got, what is that, chicken? And then we've got some chili sausages. And we've got Ascension's favourite pork belly. She loves pork belly. So that is the grub today, guys. That's what's going on the old barbecue. So I'll take that out with me now. I can't carry that beer at the same time, babe.
Yeah, you go, then I will get some pops from you.
Bless her. She's so good to me. So good. Check the technique. Woo. Yeah, man. We're barbecuing. We're all over it. Time for the chef to get to work. So, in other news, what's going on in my boring life? So I've had a malware or something on my work laptop. I got a call from the company that protects our networks, and apparently it's some sort of malware. So when I'm up in Sunderland on Monday, they're going to send a van over to me with another laptop, a clean laptop as they call it, and they're going to pick my laptop up and take it away and analyse it to see what's causing the issues to flag up on their systems. So it's not ideal really, because on Monday I'm losing Pavel, I'm losing the clown. He's going down to Leicester and he's going to look at an Amazon job which I went to a couple of weeks ago, and he has all the risk assessments and method statements and lifting plans to design for the Amazon job. So I've lost him Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday next week. I'll be all by myself now, without a laptop, without email, and without any drawings or plans which I have on my laptop, which is crazy. But luckily there's nothing much going on next week. I've got a 2 weeks to do on the Cell A, as they call it, the place where they're doing batteries, before they start what they call PT1, which is product production basically, or product testing. So in 2 weeks I'll be pulling my goers out of that one, and then in 6 weeks time I should have the Spanish back over to finish commissioning the powder store, where we've got the 2 cranes and the pallet racking systems which I've put in. So there's not much going on next week. It's no big deal. Pavel can go off and go and bother Amazon for a week, and I'll chill out at Sunderland by myself. It means I've got the office to myself. He's not going to piss me off every day with his yes but no but talking. It fries my brains. Just means I'll do a few extra hours at work every day, probably 6:30 till 6 at night, and that's it. So yeah, that's work next week. Talking of work, Ascension's had another job offer. At the moment she's had an offer for part-time work for the Nuffield Hospital in Derby, which is quite a prestigious place, but it's what they call bank hours, so she won't be full-time working there, she'll just be covering. She's gone to the Nightingale Hospital in Derby, and they've offered her a full-time job, even though it's through agency. Not bad money, to be honest. So she's just filled all the paperwork in for that. And then lo and behold, on Thursday she got another call asking her to go for an interview next week at a brand new hospital that's opening up in just up the road from here actually. It's probably 10 minutes drive, and the money's about the same. So if they've got any sense, I'll employ her on that one. So yeah, Ascension's got loads of work offers coming in at the moment, but she is a bloody good nurse. I think she'll take the job at Hina, which is just up the road, 10-15 minutes drive, and it's full time on the books for the hospital itself. So she's doing what I did not long back, stop working for herself and go to work for another company again, which I did back in November. Gives you a little bit more job security. You're not chasing contracts all the time, and it's steady money with a pension and holidays, and to be honest, it's good. I don't regret doing it. Even if I'm not working, I get paid. I just get paid less than what I did when I was working for myself. It's the difference between £5,000 a month and £2,500 a week for me. I don't have to worry about tax, I don't have to worry about insurance or pension or holidays. Soon Ascension's going to be in the same boat as me, working for somebody. We'll have quite a bit of decent money coming in between us, and that'll all sort of help towards the house and take a bit of pressure off my shoulders. Right, that's about it. That's what's coming up next week. We're taking the Ranger up next week. It's the Ranger's turn for a drive up to Sunderland. And luckily enough, I got the air conditioning recharged a couple of weeks back, so at least it'd be ice cold driving up there rather than driving up in a sweat box. Let's get back on with this barbecue, guys. Right, here we go, guys. First up, got a bit of chicken. It's so tasty. Get that going. Oh, that's quite spicy actually. Nice. Another one. There we go. And the last one. Very paprika-y. Tasty. Right, they're cooking away. This juice is lovely, guys. What else we got? We've got the old chilli sausages. So we'll stick them over there on a low heat. delicious. And then we got some Ascensions chicken. So let's just throw that there for now. Don't know what sort of seasoning she's got on that, but it looks nice. That's the chicken thighs. And we finish it off with Ascension's pork belly, which is a favourite. She loves that stuff. So let's just throw some of them bad boys, or baboy as they call it in the Philippines, on the barbecue to let it do its thing. That looks tasty. That's it, 4 pieces of that. I think we're there. We are there. Okay. Crack on. Ascension's got a new toy. She's found the skimmer. Of course it's all my fault. Any excuse to play with something. See how this food's getting on. We're getting there. Cracking Saturday afternoon. Bit of Centre Force on the radio. A nice bit of food on the barbecue. Plenty of beer. Loads of grub. We have a simple life, guys. Very simple life. Yeah, we'll piss the neighbours off, especially when I get that big Union Jack flying over the top of the land. And when we do the swimming pool, we're going to have a Union Jack tiles in the swimming pool as well. Massive speaker for the karaoke. Keep some chickens, wake everybody up on the morning. Can't have any pigs though, because we might really piss the neighbours off that way. The Barangay captain will be around giving us a bollocking. Anyway, a beautiful sunny day. Just working on my tan, eating food, chilling out in our lovely garden. Yeah, coming on good. I'll try not to burn it today. Mind you, I'm not pissed today, I was yesterday. Meanwhile, lady of luxury, the beautiful Mrs. C.
Yeah, luxury.
We having fun?
Yes, very cool.
In the shade.
I was taking them. Eating brown too much.
Don't know how she can complain about getting brown. I want to get brown. She doesn't. Oh well. Each to their own, I suppose. Meanwhile, back at the chef station. Chicken's done. Look at them bad boys. Oh, yes sir. Not even burnt them, that's the first for me. Generally burn everything. What else we got going on here? Woohoo! Chili sausage. Coming on nice. Chicken. That's working well. Baboy. Ascension's favourite. Can't mess this up, she'll kill me. So we're over. A bit warmer there. Still got the Centre Force tunes banging away in the background, guys. Beautiful sunny day. My friend Stella. and some nice cold water to jump into when I've had enough. Wow, what a warm day. Apparently I need to tan my back a little bit more because I'm browner on the front than I am my back. So Mrs. C tells me. Wow, so hot. 32 plus. Right, time to eat, guys. Food finished. We've just had a cheeky Facebook live video. So thank you to all the guys subscribed on Facebook that watch us. And obviously thank you to you guys in YouTube land for watching. Food's ready, guys. We've got grub. We've got meat. And obviously we got rice too, because rice is life.
You can get away with rice, babe.
Yes, babe.
You know, rice is life.
Smells good.
Kain tayo, guys.
Salamat. Let's get rid of these things.
Beautiful food. Kain po tayo, guys.
Oh, important things. Not so much as yesterday though, because I was so drunk yesterday.
Shouting me too, you know.
Was I? Oh, I was an angry drunk as well, apparently. Right, we're going to eat this food. We'll catch you in a bit. Whew. I've said it about 10 times on this video already, but fucking me, it's hot. And then when you eat spicy food on top of that, I've just got to drink more beer, guys. That's the only thing for it. Just drink more ale. Food's come out well though. Check this out. That's that fiery chicken that I made with Ascension's Filipino soy sauce with garlic and chilli. And there's my chilli sausages. Here's Ascension's food. Look, she's got all sorts of chicken and pork. Obviously, she's got rice.
Rice is life.
It is life, baby. So, this is our afternoon now. Jacuzzis, food, chill out. That's what it's all about, guys.
Enjoy the weather until, you know, next week, no more.
Yeah, well, we can enjoy, can't we?
This one, that track is told only you and Richard Earnshaw on the button.
Right, I need a reserve. Come to daddy.
Kain po tayo, guys.
I think if you watch the videos long enough, guys, you'll start to understand a bit of Filipino. Tagalog or Ilocano.
Mangan tayon, kagabsat. Mangan, min kain.
Yeah?
Mangan tayo, kakabsat.
What does it mean in English?
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Say it again in Tagalog.
Kain tayo.
Tayo tayo. Tayo tayo. Let's
Kain
eat.
tayo, yeah.
There we go, guys. You're learning Filipino with UK-PINAY. Right, I need to put this camera down because I'm bloody starving and I've got to demolish this lot. Whew.
I went to the town today, guys, with a hat on, you know. Everyone is looking at me like I'm
Like an alien.
like an alien because I'm wearing hat, wearing jacket, you know. When to walk to the town because it's 32 degrees. Every people I'm passing, they're looking at me like, oh my goodness, I'm like wrapping like a potato. You know, 32 degrees temperature. But then I seen a Chinese girl in a town with the umbrella. That mean worse, you know.
You had an umbrella.
Yeah, an umbrella.
You've got a jacket on and a hat.
Yeah. One Chinese girl walking in the town with the umbrella.
That's crazy.
You know, so that mean worse, you know.
Yeah, but I think people don't understand when the summer comes to England, everybody wants to wear t-shirts and shorts and get a suntan.
Yeah, some of them is no t-shirt and walking in the town by all these guys, you know. But for us, we need umbrella, we need a hat, we need a jacket.
Why's that, babe?
Not getting brown, babe.
You don't want a suntan.
And the one sometimes, look at this, my skin now is like too brown now because of the waters too, you know. The jacuzzi water.
So, what about that soap you use in the Philippines?
Oh, whitening soap.
You actually use soaps to stay whiter.
Yeah, I need lot of those when I go to Philippines. Whitening soap and whitening lotion to get white.
And then the English have got suntan lotion and they want to get brown.
Yeah.
You find that a bit crazy?
Yeah, crazy.
You have
No.
different skin both.
It's too brown and too brown now, see? See, I'm wearing the hat and the jacket, walking in the town
32 degrees.
in 32 degrees. Looking at me like, what the heck, you know?
And then a Chinese woman passes you with an umbrella.
Yeah. That
Obviously
made
it's
it
not
worse.
raining, is it?
You know, worse enough. And back in Philippines, we do that, umbrella, babe.
Yeah, well, they're not used to it in the UK, babe. You get
Yeah.
about 3 days of summer a year.
So, it's not too bad when I'm wearing my hat. And I'm wearing jacket as well. You're thinking like, oh my goodness. 30 degrees temperature. Because I'm too brown now because of the water, babe, as well, you know. And look at the Steve. Guys, see, he's sitting in the sun.
Yeah, I'm trying to get brown, and she's trying to go white.
Now she sit back into the sun because in the back is more whiter than the front, you know.
Yeah, it's hard being white.
So,
Just love the chicken.
how's your chicken, babe?
Very
manok?
nice. Very nice. Especially with the Philippine soy sauce. That's beautiful.
Okay, guys. Salamat.
See you later.
See you later. Hi, guys. Salamat sa panonood.
Yeah, thanks for watching another
Thanks for
shit video.
watching. Salamat po.
I know it's boring. It's all about jacuzzis and barbecues. Being married to a Filipina lady. In this case, Mrs. C.
Mr. C. Paalam.
Oh, thank you to our new subscribers as well.
Salamat.
Both on Facebook and YouTube. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's free, guys. Just push the button. Give us a like, give us a comment. Just tell me how shit I am. It's fine, I can take it. I've got really thick skin. So, until next week, or maybe tomorrow, I might do a review on the new Bluetti backpack, which we bought. I'll say goodbye.
Bye now. Paalam. Salamat.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.